Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Jeep TJ is probably one of the most iconic and beloved off-road vehicles ever produced, renowned for its rugged simplicity, legendary capability, and the unparalleled sense of freedom it offers drivers who crave adventure beyond the pavement. This compact powerhouse continues to captivate enthusiasts with its classic styling and a vast aftermarket support that allows for endless customization, making it a truly unique experience for anyone looking to conquer trails or simply enjoy open-air cruising. Number 5. Rough Country Neoprene Seat Covers for Jeep Wrangler TJ, 1997 to 2002. Designed specifically for your 1997 to 2002 Wrangler TJ, they offer a snug, secure fit. These covers shield against spills, scratches, and daily wear, keeping your interior looking pristine. Experience long-lasting protection with their robust 4-layer build. This includes foam padding, protective polyester, and water-resistant neoprene, ensuring your seats stay new for years. They are designed to match factory specifications, blending effortlessly with your vehicle's interior. This offers a fresh, stylish upgrade without compromising quality or comfort. The breathable neoprene material enhances your driving comfort. Its water-resistant properties also safeguard your seats from stains, spills, and messes from kids, pets, or daily use. They include full front and rear seat protection, along with headrest covers where applicable. Backed by a 2-year warranty, you can drive confidently knowing your interior is well protected. What we like. If you have kids, pets, or frequently go off-roading, these covers offer robust protection for your interior. Their tailored fit ensures your seats stay pristine and look factory fresh. This is perfect if you want to preserve your Jeep's resale value and keep it looking new for years. What people say. Number 4. Alien Sunshade Jeep Wrangler TJ Sunshade. This accessory blocks the scorching sun, allowing you to enjoy that amazing topless, open-air feeling. It's a must-have for your Jeep adventures. Installing it is incredibly easy, requiring no tools or modifications. The included bungee cords simply wrap around the roll bars for a snug, secure fit. It features high-quality polyester, double-sewn edges, and treated metal grommets. This ensures long-lasting protection from the sun without fading. This shade is a game-changer for top-off driving. It significantly reduces wind noise and prevents sunburns, making every ride more enjoyable. Once installed, you don't have to remove it. It conveniently fits under both factory hard tops and soft tops, offering continuous protection. What we like. If you love the open-air feeling but hate the harsh sun and wind, this accessory is a game-changer. It installs in minutes without tools and can stay on under your hard or soft top. If you're looking for a comfortable topless experience with excellent UV protection, this is for you. What people say. Number 3. JeCar 7.5 Reflex Short Antenna for Jeep and F-150. This antenna is specifically designed for a wide range of vehicles, including Jeep Wrangler models from 1997 to 2025 and Ford F-150 trucks. It ensures broad compatibility for many popular vehicles. Say goodbye to your old, unsightly factory antenna. Its 7.5-inch length and satin black rubber coating instantly enhance your vehicle's aesthetic, giving it a cleaner, more aggressive look. Installation is incredibly simple and requires no special tools, drilling, or welding. Just screw it in directly, using one of the 3 included threaded adapters, and you're ready to go in seconds. Don't compromise on your favorite stations. It's engineered for superior AM and FM reception, often outperforming other aftermarket antennas to deliver clear audio. Its flexible design means you never have to worry about removing it before a car wash. This durable accessory can withstand the rigors of automatic washes without any damage. What we like. If you're tired of your tall factory antenna catching on branches or in car washes, this sleek replacement is ideal. Its compact design enhances your Jeep's aesthetic without sacrificing radio reception. If you want a stylish upgrade that's also practical and durable, consider this. What people say. Number 2. OEDRO Flat Fender Flares for Jeep Wrangler TJ and LJ. Enhance your 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ and LJ with these custom-designed fender flares. They provide a precise fit for all models, including both front and rear wheels. Installation is straightforward with self-drilling screws, making the process easier for you. While some minor drilling might be necessary, you'll have them on in no time. Constructed from heavy-duty black powder-coated stainless steel, these fenders are built to last. They offer superior protection for your wheel wells against mud, scratches, sand, and other off-road hazards. Each set includes 2 front and 2 rear fender flares, along with all necessary mounting hardware and a detailed installation manual. Your order arrives securely packaged in a specially designed 7-layer carton. Purchase with peace of mind, knowing that any manufacturing defects or delivery damage are covered by our excellent customer service. If you have any fitment questions, please contact us. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. What we like. If you're serious about off-roading and need maximum wheel well protection, these heavy-duty steel flares are built to last. They provide an aggressive, rugged look while shielding against mud and debris. If you're looking to enhance your Jeep's stance and durability for tough trails, these are a must-have. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Please provide source reviews to extract points. Number 1. Rough Country 2.5 Lift Kit for Jeep Wrangler TJLJ. Enhance your Jeep Wrangler TJLJ with this 2.5-inch lift kit. It offers a perfect blend of performance, protection, and style for your vehicle. Experience superior ground clearance, allowing you to tackle any terrain with confidence. It includes premium N3 shock absorbers, designed for optimal performance both on and off-road. Despite the lift, this kit maintains a smooth, factory-like ride quality. It also perfectly levels the front of your vehicle with the rear, ensuring a balanced stance. The included coil springs feature a progressive rate design. This ensures an enhanced ride quality, providing comfort and stability. Rest assured with Rough Country's lifetime replacement warranty on the kit. The shocks and struts are covered by a 3-year warranty, guaranteeing lasting quality. What we like. If you're aiming for increased ground clearance and improved off-road capability, this lift kit delivers. The premium N3 shocks ensure a smooth ride both on and off the pavement. If you want to tackle more challenging terrain while maintaining excellent ride quality, this upgrade is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.